Hi everyone, my name is Mark Av. I have Jaime and Ross with me. Today we're going to go ahead and perform a hack called DoS, Denial of Service. We're going to be using our Kali Linux VM. We're also going to have Snort running so we could evaluate what's happening during the hack. Our victim is going to be the NXP. The IP address is for the XP is 192.168.1.76. I also opened a task manager so we could evaluate the CPU usage. On the bottom here, you could see I have a VM Kali Linux running, and on top I'll be using a Snort. So first, let me go ahead and show you the configuration file for Snort that we're going to be executing. So as you can see, there's a bunch of rules here that's been created. This is by default. This is the one that we added. So let's see. Here, if you read it out, the rule um, is gonna alert us for any TCP connections coming from any source, any destination in our home network on port 80. Within that, we're gonna have SYN packets, and it's gonna go ahead and flag using this message here. We also set thresholds to track by destination and count of 70. So basically 70 packets within the 10-second span or duration will go ahead and flag as suspicious. Let me go ahead and show you where we created the home network. So here is our home network 192.168.1.0. This is a /24 is our subnet, and let's go ahead and see if this will commence. So let's see, have a rule here to listen anything on port 0. So basically what it's doing now, it says commencing packet processing. So what it's doing now is it's in a state where it's listening to anything in that subnet, that 192.168.1.0/24 subnet. So let's go ahead and go to our Kali where we're going to execute the hack. So today we'll be performing a DoS attack. We're going to be using Hping3. That's version 3. And basically this is a networking tool specifically for stress testing a network or a workstation. We're also gonna send out SYN packets on port 80, and we're gonna flood this IP address, um, which is the victim's IP address. Um, the source, however, will be random source IP address. This is important because when you are doing any sorts of hacking, you want to try to be invisible or want to be invisible. So let me go ahead and execute this hack. Let's go ahead and see what happens to the XP one while I'm doing it here. So it says hping in flood mode, no replies will be shown. So as you can see on the XP, it's at 58. It's like it's capping at 58%, and nothing is basically happening. I'm not doing any browsing or anything like that. So let's go ahead and open up a browser. Okay, so opening up a browser, it's pushing it up. See, this is what DoS is basically supposed to do. It's supposed to um, give you a denial of service. And as you can see, I mean, I'm not when I'm browsing, you can't even browse, and it's peaking at 100%. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is shown on Snort here. So let's go Control C, and I believe I saw it. Okay, so here we're noticing that message that we've added on the Snort configuration file a possible TCP DoS detected. It's going on port. It's going on port 80 and IP address 192.168.176, which is the XP. And as you could see here, it's being sent by random source ports, source IPs, and that's basically what we've added on the command here. So, okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Take care.
I'm in.